B9 and Klover are both designed for people who may not qualify for traditional loans, because neither app relies primarily on a standard credit score when evaluating eligible users. Instead, both focus more on your banking activity, income, and account history. By the end of this video, you'll know how B9 and Klover evaluate applicants, and which app may be the better choice if you have bad credit. If your main question is which app approves bad credit, the short answer is that neither B9 nor Klover is built around traditional credit-based lending. Having a low credit score does not automatically prevent you from qualifying, but you still need to meet each app's eligibility requirements. Let's start with B9. B9 is a financial app that combines banking features with paycheck advances for eligible users. Rather than making decisions based only on your credit history, the app looks at factors such as your income, account activity, and whether you meet its eligibility requirements. If you receive regular income and maintain an active account, those factors can have a greater impact than your credit score. That makes B9 appealing for users who want access to paycheck advances without applying for a conventional personal loan. Now let's compare Klover. Klover also evaluates users based on their financial activity, instead of relying mainly on a traditional credit check. After connecting your bank account, the app reviews information such as recurring income, banking history, and account behavior to determine whether you're eligible for a cash advance. If your income is inconsistent, your account is newly opened, or you regularly have overdrafts, your eligibility or available advance may be affected regardless of your credit score. So which app is better for bad credit? Choose B9 if you're looking for a banking app that combines paycheck advances with everyday financial features, and your income meets the app's eligibility requirements. Choose Klover if you prefer an app that evaluates your linked bank account and financial activity without depending primarily on a traditional credit score. The biggest takeaway is that neither platform guarantees approval simply because it doesn't focus on credit scores. Eligibility still depends on your banking information, income, and overall account history. Here's the bottom line. Both B9 and Klover can be good options for people with bad credit, because neither is designed like a traditional lender that bases decisions mainly on credit scores. The stronger your banking history and income consistency, the better your chances of qualifying. Your next step is to review the eligibility requirements for both apps and choose the one that best matches your income and banking situation. If this comparison helped you make your decision, like the video and subscribe for more comparisons of cash advance apps and personal finance tools.